Hi, my name is Marsha Azira and my matrix number is 068023F1053 and I'll be explaining the scenario. The company backs up its financial data manually on an external hard drive, but no one verifies if the files can be restored. There's no schedule or log, and the drive is stored in the office, creating a high risk of data loss or corruption if something goes wrong. So it is very important to have a backup.
Next, I will be explaining about data backup. First, the definition. Data backups means copying important data such as files, database, and system image from the main system to another location. This allows the data to be restored if the original version is lost or damaged. Now for the importance, backups are foundation and recovery. Without a proper backup system, once data is lost, it might be gone permanently. That's why having regular and reliable backups is crucial to protect an organization of information and ensure business continuity. Now let's move on to recovery definition. Recovery is the process of restoring data from backups to the main operational system after a failure, an error, or a disaster. It's basically how we bring the system back to normal after something goes wrong. Important. The speed and reliability of recovery are very important because they determine how long a business stays down and how much loss it may face. The faster and more effective the recovery process, the less impact it has on the organization operation.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Haslina. My matrix number is 068023F1019. Today I will explain about the weaknesses in the IT backup process. First one is manual backup process. Backups are done manually and depends on staff remembering to perform them. This increases the chance of mistake or miss backup. Second one is no verification or restoration test. No test is done to confirm whether backups can be restored successfully. This can cause problem if data recovery is needed. Third one is lack of backup documentation. There are no records of when, how, or who performed the backups. This makes it hard to track and monitor. The last one is no backup policy or monitoring responsibility. There is no formal policy or assigned person to monitor the backup process. This weakness, control and accountability.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Alia Akila. My matrix number is 068023F1050. Today I want to present about audit procedure. First, inspection and inquiry. Request to view the physical external hard drive used for backup. Inquire about the method and person reasonable for backup. Second, we have examined backup logs. Check if there are timestamp or documentation of past backup. Review consistency. After that, we have performed a test restore. Select a sample backup file and attempt to restore it. Verify that the restore data is complete. And the last one, we have review policy. Ask for a written backup and recovery policy. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Bhuvaneswari Ravichandran. My matrix number is 068823F1010. Today I'm going to present about recommendations. First, the company should create a proper data backup and recovery policy. This policy needs to explain how backups are done, how often they should happen, and who is responsible. Having a clear policy makes sure everyone follows the same procedure and reduces mistakes. Next, the company should test the backup files regularly to confirm they can actually be restored. It's important to make sure the backup files work properly because if the data can't be recovered, the backup becomes useless. Backups should also stored securely to protect from theft, loss, or damage. They can use encrypted cloud storage or keep a copy in a safe offsite location away from the main office. Lastly, the company assigns a responsible person to monitor and record every backup activity. This person will make sure backups are done on time, properly documented, and tested when needed.